Let's explore essential tea processing terms. Explained fixation, oxidation, and fermentation in green, black, and dark tea, Puer, in previous reels. Your awareness to magic tea plants is now different, but if you're a tea lover, you're in for a treat. First up, withering. Freshly picked tea leaves start to wilt and oxidize, losing excess water and prepping for flavor magic. Green tea does a quick wither, just 2-4 hours, while black tea takes its sweet time with at least 15 hours. The longer withering helps black tea develop that rich fragrance we all love. Now let's roll. Literally. Rolling breaks down the tea leaves, letting their juices out. This step is crucial for black tea, enhancing oxidation and bringing out deep colors and aromas. Green tea gets a shorter roll, keeping it light and fresh. And finally drying. Time to lock in those flavors. Whether it's baking at 100 degrees Celsius or sun-drying for a few days, drying reduces moisture, enhances fragrance, and consolidates taste. Green and black teas both dry to about 2 to 3% water content, but sun-drying, taking 3 to 5 days and reach water content around 8 to 12%. It is essential for raw puer and white tea. The relatively higher water content allow them to age for enriching the flavor in time. Speaking of white tea, it's all about minimal intervention. No fixation, oxidation, or fermentation. Just gentle withering and low-temp drying, preserving antioxidants and amino acids. So next time you sip, remember the journey your tea leaves took. Stay curious, stay tea smart. Your